So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and after that log into your account, and after that click on wallet and go for fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you'll look for search option and type BTC and click on convert of first option. So guys, after coming on this window, you have to click on this button and search for Ethereum like ETH and choose it. And now you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 3 Bitcoins, and after putting 3, click on preview conversion. And after that it will show you how much your 3 Bitcoins worth it in Ethereum. And if you have the sufficient funds, then you can choose this button to click, and after that it will convert your Bitcoins to Ethereum. So if you find this video helpful and interesting, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.